Welcome everyone to Code with Hafiz. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about multi-level inheritance, the simplest way to understand how one class passes features to another and then another. We start with a living being, then animal inherit it, and cat inherit animal. And these all inheritance create a chain. Living being inherit animal, animal inherit cat. The cat is inherited from animal and animal is inherited from living being. The complete chain. Because of this chain, cat becomes alive automatically and cat gets the name from animal and cat gets its own color plus speak method when I create an object like this. This is how Python allows code reusability, clean structure, and real-world modeling, all in just few lines of code. Let's understand multi-layer inheritance in the easiest way possible. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like Code with Hafiz. In this code, we have three classes connected like a chain: living being, animal, and cat. The first one is living being, then animal and cat. The living being is our base class. Every living being has alive true. The method is underscore alive, whether the object is alive, and this is the starting point for inheritance. And then we have a class animal, which is inherited from living being. Animal inherited everything from living, and this super calls the parent class initializer. This gives animal objects the property. Inside this class we have another. We also add a new property name inside animal. Animal now has a life from living being and name from animal. And then we have a class cat, which is inherited from animal class. Animal is inherited from living being. When cat class is created, first animal initializer run. Animal calls living beings initializer can also add the color and the speak method for the class. And cat now has everything: alive from living being, name from animal, color from cat, and speak from cat. Creating a cat, this triggered cat.init, animal.init, and livingbeing.init. When we print this, c dot is underscore alive, inherited from living being, inherited from animal, cat from a specific, and cat specific method of quiet class. If I run Python multi underscore level underscore inheritance dot, and you see I am getting true, mittens, tabby, and me.